welcome back to our channel. Today, you guys, we're gonna be making fluffy slime, and we need a grown-up, so we got Mommy. Let's get right in the video. So, you guys, we're gonna be using glue, water, baking soda, shaving cream, food coloring, contract, bowl, and a spatula. Let's get mixing. First, we need our glue.
And we need
1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we need water.
water.
This looks like we're making cake. And then
Mix it together
mix.
until everything mix. Need the shaving cream.
Shaving cream. That's too much. That's too much. Oh my gosh. Oh. Like this. So funny. It's so shady. This is so shady. Well, it's almost it's shaving cream. Well, it's so shaving cream. Let's keep mixing.
Now you add your food coloring. You add a little bit, like 3 to 4 drops.
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 drops. I'm really guys get it. 2, 3, 4. I have 4 drops. Whoa, Mama, yours is so cool. Whoa, it's turning purple. Look at mine turning pink. Mix up. Keep mixing.
And now we're gonna add the contact lens solution to make it fluffy.
Yeah, look at that.
And we're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon.
Look, you guys. You can play in it. Let's put it on the table. Let's mix it together, and then we will make a unicorn fluffy slime. Let's take it there. Whoa. Wow. See how slimy is it? This is very slimy. I'm gonna do it again, guys. That's how you do the fluffy slime. And it popped again. This is how you make unicorn fluffy slime. And don't forget to subscribe to Sister.